Mexico City, a mega metropolis of 22 million people, home of the biggest bull ring in the world, monumental Plaza de Toros. This is the beating heart of Mexico right here. Today, that heart pounds for a mega event, the opening of the 2015 Red Bull X-Fighters World Tour. In the first semi-final at the 10th anniversary of X-Fighters events in Mexico, Tom Pages and his brand new lighter carbon bike make easy work of the new school tricks. The 2013 World Tour champion sets the bar high and puts the pressure directly on the shoulders of Clinton Moore from Australia. Moore is ready, however, matching Pages trick for trick. In fact, he ups the ante, adding 3 amazing flip combos and eliminates Pages, moving to the first Red Bull X-Fighters final of his career.
One of the oldest Red Bull X-Fighters with Madrid, and there's an history here, and I'm trying to make a little bit the history of the FMX. It's hard. I got kicked out today, but it's good. It's good.
Once again, 2 former World Tour champions go head-to-head in front of a sold-out stadium of 38,000 fans in the second semi-final. Danny Torres is doing his best to bring a high-quality run with new combos, but makes some uncharacteristic mistakes and is clearly dismayed with the end result. However, puts on a brave face nonetheless. Meanwhile, Levi Sherwood is relaxed and debuts his new trick, the transfer flip, which is massive and cements a place in the final for the Kiwi. Clinton Moore, knowing now that he can match the best in the world, attacks with a cacophony of tricks that has the fans in Mexico breathless. He ends on a high and is stoked with his best career run ever. The pressure now squarely on the shoulders of Levi Sherwood. He comes out with a near-perfect mix of execution and style and adds an extra bit of difficulty on the transfer flip, going one hand on the move. In the end, however, it's not enough.
Like, the feeling I'm getting is like, I feel light. Like, I really don't know what to think or what to say. It's just like, I finally did it. I keep telling myself, I finally did it, I finally did it.
The Red Bull X-Fighters 2015 opens with a bang here in Mexico with a new winner in Clinton Moore, and sets the stage for more incredible action as we head to Athens, Greece on the 12th of June.